Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Imagine Crafts. So I have this grassy stencil, and I'm using bamboo leaves to make my grass. And then the other end of my stencil is a cloud border. So I'm using summer sky to ink up and sponge on my clouds. So we're going to be making a fun Easter card here today, and pretty easy. Even kids can do it. So I have this Stamps by Judith that just stamped this Charlie Brown tree. And what I love is this tree is versatile to use all year. And I have this peg stamp also by Judith that has Easter eggs. So I stamped those around with my VersaFine Clair in Nocturne. Today I am going to be coloring with Memento markers, which are a dye-based ink. So the VersaFine Clair works perfect with those. And right now I'm stamping some leaves and sprigs for the trees so that it doesn't look so Charlie Brownish. I am inking up with Cottage Ivy for my leaves and sprigs. And now I'm coming in with my Memento markers to start coloring those Easter eggs that I've spread on the grass as well as in the tree. First I went with Angel Pink, and then Dandelion. Then I'm getting ready to bring in the Tangelo. And just a little bit on each egg to color it in. And then I'll bring in Ladybug. And Lulu Lavender. This is New Sprout. And Desert Sand for the base of the tree. And now I'm bringing in the bamboo leaves for the leaves that I did. Now I have a Lawn Fun stamp set that has a Happy Easter, and so I did stamp that right there at the top as the sentiment. And now I'm going to cut my panels so that I can add it to my card base. The panel that I originally stamped on was 4 by 5 1/4. My gray is going to be just a little bigger than that. I am using tear it tape to adhere my panels together, just because that's an easy double-sided tape that helps me to line up my panels so that they're straight. And now I will put it on the back of that, and then I will attach it to my 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 top folding card base. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.